Good evening mga langga maniha punta. Ang ulam for tonight's video ay the same pareho ang ulam ko kakaninang umaga. Tanghali, o di ba? Yung ang palaya na may itlog. Tapos yung toyo. Tapos nagluto ako ng ulam ni MJ. Fried chicken. Pakpak. Ayan. Pa-MJ ito. Fried chicken, oh. Ni-marinate ko ng manok ganina pa.
George is my brother.
Pakpak na. Ako na, pa. Sumpay na ako.
Proud of her little brother George.
Ako. Paa lang imo. Legs.
We show George how we paint pictures.
George is not very good at painting.
Mariyapon sa mga langga.
Yes, I'm very good. I will show him how to
Nain
paint a
lang.
flower. George,
Hmm.
I am going to teach you how to paint a flower.
Sabi ko wala sudan mga iro ng alay. Oh.
First, we paint
Ang palaya nga walang hurot gay na. Diba?
now, George, that's the
Ano na nga.
color.
Ngapon sa mga langga. Sinet. Pabog nga wa.
Shelly. Now you paint the stalk of the leaves.
Init. Init ang mga sudan.
You've done it all wrong.
Pag ulang abi ko nagluto.
Now what do we have?
Kaundan niya.
I'm painting a flower.
It's thin.
Hmm.
And George has
Nakamit tayo
a
eh.
dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
Wah.
Brilliant.
I think George and Peppa's pictures should go on the wall. Hooray!
Yung itlog ganun na oh.
You must be very proud of your little brother.
Yes, I
Mm.
am.
It is home time, and the children's parents are here to pick them up.
Can
Yep.
George come next time?
Yes, and he can paint us another lovely picture.
Mahal ang kilo sa manok.
Paint next time, George.
Very sure.
180.
Oh, another dinosaur picture. Well, maybe you can show us all how to paint.
Wala naman gababa ang mga
Brilliant.
kondri mga langga eh.
Yes, brilliant. Brilliant. Easter Bunny.
Pepper and her friends have come to Rebecca Rabbit's house for an Easter egg hunt.
Hello, Rebecca.